Today we'll be going over the material types and how to change them on a Whitman G Series gravimetric blender. For additional information, please refer to the unit's manual. First, log in by selecting the arrow on the upper right side of the screen. Enter the password 333. Press the Enter key to log in. You should now see Admin at the top right of the screen and AD on the top left near the Logout button. Select the Edit key. Select the Main tab. Under the Material T category on the left is each of the unit's bin locations. Selecting one of the bins will bring up a list of possible material types that can be selected. Each color represents a material type. Virgin or new material is denoted with the color yellow. Regrind components are represented with the color orange. Additives, such as colorants, are represented with the color green. Gray is used to represent an unused bin. Regrind components are assumed to contain the correct amount of additive, such as colorants, and therefore are excluded from the calculations used to determine the amount of additive or additives needed for the virgin components. This means that if a batch has a batch size of 1,000 grams, is set to 80% virgin, 20% regrind, and 5% additive, then the resulting target weight for each component would be 760 grams of virgin material, 200 grams of regrind, and 40 grams of additive. For an explanation of these calculations, please refer to the computation formula section of the unit's manual. There are also two special material types, reference virgin and reference additive. Both of these have a red target icon next to the bin number. There can only be one reference material component selected per recipe. The reference type is designed for components that are using small amounts of material or whose ratio to the overall batch is of high importance. When a reference material is selected, this component will take priority and be the first to complete the final stage of dispensing. The software will then auto-scale the total batch size to maintain the proper batch ratio. Using the same example as before, if the additive is set as a reference component and, when dispensing, settles out at 39.68 grams instead of 40, the resulting targets for the virgin and regrind would be 753.92 grams and 198.4 grams respectively, for a total batch size of 992 grams. This small variation in batch size is minuscule, but the resulting mix will be more consistent. Once the selections have been made, press the back button to exit the menu. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our Material Handling Service Department at 860-496-9603, extension 168. Thank you very much, and as always, enjoy your new Whitman product.